Welcome to Clever Mum, where smart tips meet simple living. Let's make veggie shopping a breeze with insights tailored for nurturing healthy kids and families. Did you know poor veggie shopping habits could impact your family's meals and budget? Let's uncover practical, game-changing strategies to cut waste, maximize flavor, and keep your loved ones happy and healthy. Common mistakes like buying out of season, over-purchasing, or prioritizing looks over quality can be costly. But don't worry, together we'll build foolproof habits to save money and make tastier, nutritious meals for your family. Seasonality is crucial for any cook, especially when preparing meals for kids. Out-of-season produce lacks flavor and nutrients. Learn to identify the freshest produce using color, smell, and texture. Quick tips to fill your table with goodness. Overbuying can lead to less savings, spoiled vegetables, and stress when feeding your family. Focus on smaller, thoughtful quantities and buy loose veggies over pre-packaged options. Smart choices mean fewer worries and fresher family meals every time. Taking care of your veggies after shopping is just as important. Proper storage methods help preserve nutrients and taste, essential for preparing meals your family will always enjoy. Imagine roasting sweet, sun-ripened tomatoes straight from summer or making hearty winter soups with fresh carrots. Seasonal shopping boosts flavor, saves money, and makes every recipe feel like a wholesome family tradition. Make every recipe shine by choosing seasonal produce, zucchinis in summer or pumpkins in autumn. Taste and nutritional values skyrocket when you support locally grown items, and it's an easy way to teach your kids about sustainability. Quick sensory checks are a fun family activity too. Aromatic tomatoes, melons that echo when tapped, or avocados with the perfect feel. Teaching kids to spot fresh produce early on sets them up for a lifetime of healthy eating habits. Bring it all together. Seasonal awareness and sensory smarts make shopping and cooking joyful, filling your family's plates with fresh, healthy flavors. Subscribe for more tips from Clever Mum, and let's keep growing smarter together. Thanks for watching Clever Mum. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join us for more family-friendly tips. See you in the next video.